XRP is currently priced around $2.20 after failing to break through a key resistance level at $2.25. This might seem like a normal market move, but according to several analysts, it could actually be the beginning of a much bigger shift. Crypto analyst CasiTrades believes the rejection at $2.25 isn't the end of XRP's upward trend, but rather part of a short-term correction. Based on technical analysis, he explains that XRP is going through a corrective phase within an Elliott Wave structure, which usually includes 3 stages: Waves A, B, and C. Wave A took the price down to around $2.01, followed by a small bounce to $2.27 as Wave B. Now, he believes Wave C is forming, and it could bring XRP down to the $1.90 to $1.95 range. Interestingly, this area lines up with the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is often seen as a strong support zone in technical analysis. Also, the RSI indicator on the 4-hour chart is showing a positive signal. While the price has moved lower, the RSI hasn't. This is called a bullish divergence and can be an early sign that selling pressure is weakening. However, this correction is happening within a broader upward trend. Since early April, XRP has been forming a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, a classic sign of a developing bullish trend. One reason for the growing optimism is the potential approval of an XRP ETF, including the ProShares XRP ETF set to launch on May 14th. If this ETF goes live, institutional interest could rise, bringing additional buying pressure. CasiTrades also notes that XRP's long-term pattern follows a larger Elliott Wave structure. From a low of about 30 cents, XRP climbed to $3.30 in 5 waves before correcting again in a WXY pattern. This correction created new lows around $1.44 to $1.54, which also match important Fibonacci zones. The bounce from that area even formed a double bottom pattern, a strong reversal signal. After that, the price broke above $2 and made another attempt at the $2.25 to $2.30 zone. Interestingly, another analyst, Elliott Crypto, has a much more optimistic view. He suggests XRP could form a massive monthly candle and reach $17 by the end of May. While this prediction is very aggressive, it reflects how sentiment around XRP is starting to turn more positive. So, even if XRP drops below $2 in the short term, this could be seen as an opportunity, not a threat, if the medium and long-term scenarios play out as expected.